Hey babies, welcome back to my channel. Of course, teaming up with Myfirstwig, y'all. I had a little trouble opening this box, but y'all know this is one of my favorite companies. If you're new here, welcome. Now's a good time to go ahead and subscribe. Just showing you some of the contents that came inside of the box. So we got some headbands. They're very on edge control, which I'm interested in trying. And then of course, they always give you a bag of goodies with like bobby pins, clips, and everything you'll need to pretty much lay your wigs down. And of course, this is pretty much created like a half wig. So you got the 3 combs across the top. You have that really nice, secure elastic band type of base for your wig. And then of course the headband part, which comes with a little strap so you can strap it from behind. You guys, putting on this wig straight out of the gate, I am so impressed with how flat this unit is. Y'all gonna see. We're gonna get into it, but I'm just letting y'all know. Heads up, yeah. So the edge control just smelled like edge control. It didn't have anything special to it. So y'all excuse my edges as of right now, because I mean, I was depending on the edge control to do this thing, but y'all gonna see where we headed with that one. First and foremost, I'm just doing a straightening test to see how it applies, you know, or how it reacts to the heat. So far so good. The hair was super silky, super soft. I was so impressed with the ombre on this hair. You guys can see it goes from that dark root down to a nice light honey, kind of like, yeah, honey brown, honey blonde, however you see it. And then of course the ends are not trimmed at all. So if that's something you're gonna want to do, I do that a little bit later on in the video. But you guys, the hair was super sleek. Like, I was mad at the fact that my edges were not on point right now. You feel me? You see what I'm saying? Like, look at this. And I did not have to do anything to it. This is straight out of the gate. Like I said, the color is really even. There was like this one spot on, I believe, the right side where I was just kind of like, we could have blended this a little bit more. But you guys, for the most part, I'm giving this an 8 out of 10. Simply because they did an amazing job with the unit. Like I said, you guys are going to see a little bit more the further along I go. So I wanted to try on both headbands just to see how I felt about it. They actually sent me more than this. But these are my favorite too. So I just kind of wanted to give you a quick little view of what that looks like. Of course, just trying this on, and then I'll kind of go through a few other hairstyles. But you guys, I know that there's like some of you guys are like, I love the headband wigs, and then others of you are like, no. I'm assuming it's because of the edge thing. You don't have to leave out your edges. You get what I mean with these headband wigs. These are protective styles. Definitely something to kind of throw on and go. You can even put on a hat with these. I should have showed you that in this video. So let me know if that's something you want to see, because it's very versatile. Now for me, I usually like to trim blunt ends with all my units, weaves, things like that. So I did the same thing here with this particular unit, because of course that's just what I do. So if you want to, you don't have to, you know, trim the end or anything. The hair was still really silky, really smooth, but I did want to see what it looks like in a high ponytail, because it fit really snug on my head, and I did not even have it on the tightest band. So y'all, look how flat this is. And I don't know if you guys saw at the beginning of this video, I started off with some old dusty braids, literally so dusty, and literally a wig cap, and that was it. So I had my base pretty flat to begin with, but you guys, I'm absolutely in love with this unit. I really wish that I touched up my edges a little bit more, just because like clips like this, y'all, I'm feeling it, okay? And then it's something about that fall color, just those like auburn reds and browns that really just kind of do something to me. So I'm definitely gonna have to do a couple of different things with this unit. Definitely gonna be curling it up just to kind of see what it is that it does. But you guys, look at that. Shiny, smooth, healthy, and it's definitely not shedding at all. So, and this is straight out of the packaging. So if I can do it, y'all can do it. Well, first of all, y'all can do it, okay? Let's just put that out there. And so of course I did get the other bandana wig from one of their, I'm saying wig, the bandana headband from another unit that I actually like collab with them on as well. But they have so many different like options on their site, different types of accessories and things like that that you can use, clips, bands, all that stuff. Because some of you guys were asking me, girl, where are you getting all these headbands? Girl, they sent it to you. Okay, let's get into that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the little curl test just to see what it does under a little bit of heat. So I turned this all the way up to 450 degrees, and I'm literally just doing a cute little flat iron curl just to see that bounce and just to really see how it reacts to the heat. How long is it gonna stay? All that good stuff, and you know, is it just gonna drop or what's gonna happen? So in this case, you guys, that color looks so good. Here is the final result. Like, look at that. Super duper bouncy curl. I literally had to do nearly nothing to it. This is a 2-inch FHI flat iron, y'all. Feeling it. Super cute. So I went ahead and just kind of curled up both sides. I didn't do the back or anything, so there will still be some straight pieces because I wasn't committing to anything with this particular unit, but I loved it. Of course, I changed my headband again for the purposes of like photos and stuff like that, but y'all, let me know what it is that you think down below. Of course, all the details will be listed in my description box. I love you guys so much. Stay pretty, and I will see you next time. Bye, babies.